What's up, guys? It's Dave Marshall with the RC Air Marshall YouTube channel, and today we're going to be going over how I set up a brand new Spektrum Smart Battery. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss any videos from the channel. Now let's get started with setting up this Smart Pack. Alright guys, so in this quick video we're going to be showing you how to prepare a Spektrum Smart Battery. So here we've got a 5,000 milliamp hour 3S hard shell case Smart Pack, and how I prepare these Smart Packs for their first time use. So let's go ahead and open this up. As you see, this is still sealed from the factory. And open this guy up. All right, so now we've got our battery out of the box. When I'm preparing these, the first thing I do is I take my smart battery checker, the XBC 100, and I just plug that battery right on into the smart checker. And on the smart checker, what I'll do is I'll hold that center button, just press it and hold it. And that gets me to my smart settings. Now here we've got, and this is the default for the G2 batteries. We can see it defaults to 72 hours at 3.9 volts for its auto storage charge. I mean, and that setting is fine. They work fine right out of the box. I just like to set mine up a little bit different. So I'm going to change that 72 hours. I'm going to roll that to 48. And I'm going to change that 3.9 volt storage voltage to 3.8 volts. The charge current at 5 amps is a conservative 1C charge rate for this battery. This battery can do up to 5C charge current, so we could run it as high as 25 amps. But I'm going to set that to 10 amps. There we go, 10 amps. And the charge voltage, we'll stick that, or we'll just leave that at 4.20 volts. And that is all you have to do. All right, so now this battery is ready for its first charge cycle. And when it's done, it will auto discharge at 48 hours down to a storage voltage of 3.8 volts. Hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments. As always, if you're interested in picking up some of these smart batteries, we're going to have a link down in the description. Again, this is the new G2 pack. This is a hard shell pack, but it no longer has the balance lead. So if you're going to be buying the G2 packs, make sure you've got the Spektrum Smart Chargers. The G1 and G2 Smart Chargers can charge these just fine. The G1 Smart Chargers just need the update to the G2 firmware, and they'll be good to go. When you click those links in the description, they are affiliate links, and they do help out the channel a little bit when you use them at no additional cost to you, and we really appreciate your support. You can also head over to rcairmarshall.com, and you'll find links to a lot of our affiliate programs through Horizon Hobby, BitGo Hobby, as well as our Teespring store, PayPal link if you want to make a donation to the channel, and lots of other ways to support the channel. It's certainly not necessary, but it helps us out quite a bit. Also on our webpage, there's a contact link there. So if you need to get in touch with me for any reason, if you have any specific questions that wouldn't, that may be too long for the comment section or whatever, go ahead and shoot me an email using that comment link, fill out the form, and it will email straight to me. And I will get those questions answered for you as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you're always made aware when we have new videos on the channel. And we'll see you in the next one.